Welcome to SolidCAM Professor on our series of Jumpstart, the easy way to get up to speed in SolidCAM. I'm Sydney, your SolidCAM Professor, and in this session we'll be doing part 3 in our first lesson. At this point, since our face milling operation has been calculated, we want to take a look at our toolpath at work. By clicking on the Simulate button, we open up our Simulation Control Panel in a new window. We have several different modes to present our toolpath handled by these tabs. The default simulation is HostCAD, and that is the mode we will start with. The HostCAD option displays our toolpath in a wireframe. If we put a check mark in the Show Data box, our simulation data window opens up that displays the X, Y, and Z positions of our tool, the cutting feed rate, and the time it takes to machine this operation. To start the toolpath simulation, we can simply press play. As you can see, the simulation went very quickly. We can control the simulation speed with this slider. Moving it to the left will slow it down. Moving it back to the right will speed it up. When we run it again, we can now see it runs through the simulation at a slower pace. We have another playback option called single step mode. Each mouse click will move the tool through simulation one step at a time, and we can watch these movements in our simulation data box. The final simulation mode we will use is Solid Verify. This is different from HostCAD because you can actually see the material removal, and we can now view our cutting tool in 3D. As we single step through the simulation in this mode, we can view our cutting tool approach our stock, move across the face of our part, and finally retract away from our part, all in real time. To exit our simulation, click on the eject button on the bottom right of our control panel. This action will move us back to our edit operation window. This concludes part 3 of our first lesson in Jumpstart. Thank you for joining us on SolidCAM Professor. Take care and have a nice day.